Good day, everyone. You are welcome once again to T Black and Co. In this edition, we shall be looking at various side hustles that we can venture into as a graduate or as a youth. Precisely, we are referring to vocational skills that you can venture into that can sustain you. You know, in Nigeria today, we have a lot of opportunities, and as far as the opportunity is enormous, you still have a lot of unemployed youth. And there is something you should know. For every problem that you see, that you notice, it is an opportunity for you to explore. It is an opportunity. You are the one to provide solution. For every problem you see in your environment, it is an opportunity for you to explore and to provide a solution. I will just cite one example. I heard this from one of my mentors. He narrated a scenario that happened somewhere around Ikoyi when a man's house got fired and the house came down. Then the second day, people started visiting him and started persuading him to be patient and the likes. The third day, you know what the man did? Something has happened. A whole building has got fire and calmed down. The man just hired a tractor to clear the rubble and fix the gates. Then he make it a car park immediately and started making money. The offices around there that had no car park, he just sold them, now have a car park here. Then you can see that he brought out solution. He sees an opportunity inside a problem. If it's someone else, will be thinking, will just be thinking another thing. How do I raise money to raise this place? Instead of thinking of think of just being creative with his situation. Then from that, started patronizing it, because if opportunity is there, because there is shortage of car park. So after 3 years, he bought another house, another building in the third street to that street, and his car park business still continues. So that is kind of thinking and you're supposed to emulate and follow. You see, as a full-time office worker, that does not stop you from having a side hustle. It could be an affiliate. You can just negotiate layers with any paint product, for instance, any paint production firm like G-Coat. Start marketing it online. Then whenever they need, you refer them. Then after selling, you get your commission instantly. Let's assume you are doing this on a monthly basis. You are getting an additional, depending on how you put in effort into your advert, you get 50,000, 30,000. Is an addition to whatever you are earning. And remind you, you never learned this. Let's now talk of the one that learn it and start producing it. Then you start marketing it yourself, your colleagues at the office. I'm not into this, I'm into that. Doesn't mean that you don't have time. People will produce it for you. You have your formulation. It could be furniture. I have some people, what they do is that they just go to online, they see nice furnitures, they crop it and fix their own price. They've seen the price already on GG, Konga and the likes. They fix their own price and they start advertising it. When you charge them, you need this, they will negotiate with you. They've seen it, they will increase that, including delivery. Now, on getting it, they will take it to a local furniture maker in their environment. They don't know anything about furniture making. They will take it to them, I need this, they negotiate, and they gain even more than the person that did it. On a single furniture, at times they gain as much as 20,000 naira, 15,000 naira. And let's assume in a week, you are able to sell just one piece, and at times you can sell 3, 4 in a week. So before the end of the month, you have earned as much as your salary without doing much effort. So there are a lot of opportunities for the youth. So this is the right time for you to decide and to have your plan, because if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. I think with this takes us to the end of this edition. So if you think you have gained from this, kindly subscribe to our channel so as to get more of these vocational trainings opportunities around you. And also do not forget to like